every guys. The bubbles of nothing, the bubble of vacuum in physics is cosmological concept from the quantum physics theory that describes the emergence of the bubbles made of different quantum vacuum states, which is God expands and form a whole universe like ours. Some first section. What is nothing in physics? Philosophy usually means by nothing the complete absence of everything. There's no matter, even no energy, even no load, everything will be disappeared from the world. But the fields that stands in form of quantum evolution and virtual particles that appear and vanish due to the uncertainty principle. So the physics is nothing isn't absolute nothingness. It is real physical status when energy and law. In the quantum field theory, the vacuum is a ground state of the field. It's yet it seems with the quantum fluctuations and the visual practical. There can be false vacuums and misdouble state of the higher energies that can decay into a true vacuums of the lower energy via the nucleation of a small bulb. This bubble is region of the space where the field has dropped from the false vacuum state to the true vacuum state, acquiring different physical properties. Some cosmological models purpose that our one universe may have is a begins as a tiny bubbles of the true vacuums emerging inside a pre-exciting false vacuums which is then expanded exponentially. Cosmic inflations. If equations like the Wheeler-DeWitt equation in quantum gravity allow it to enter a small vacuum bubbles and grows and form an entire separate universe that cannot be connected with the original one. And from inside that bubble, it looks as if the whole universe came out of nothing. But in reality, there was a field of physical laws and not revealed quantum vacuum states. The common phrase that universe rose from nothing. It relies on the physics definition of nothing as absolutely psychological philosophically is nothing. The quantum physics allow vacuum energy to turn into particles. Particles virtual pair production effects like the Casimir's effects, but this always happens with set of frameworks of pre-existent fields and laws. The more accurate statement is that the universes they have emerged from the quantum vacuum state or vacuum bubbles within the existing physical framework, not from absolute nothingness with no properties at all. Imagine the valleys, the true vacuums, and the slightly higher flat plateaus that flows walls the vacuum. A ball is on the plateau same the tables, but it is noted as the lowest energy due to the quantum effects. The plateau can channels and let the ball fall into the valley releasing energy. The bubble of nothing is like a region where the ball has fallen into the valley and started to grow. As it expands, it may become an entire world with its own laws and conditions. That's the end of our lecture. See you later.